In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can search hashtags on TikTok. So if you want to see all the videos for a specific hashtag on TikTok, the process is very straightforward. All you need to do is tap on the Discover tab right there at the bottom, the second option. Then you'll have a search bar at the top. You want to tap on the search bar and then you want to type in the hashtag that you want to search for. So if I type viral, because I want to see all the viral videos, just type that, then hit search. Then you want to select the hashtags option on the far right of that. And then that's going to show you all the different hashtags using the word viral. So if I just tap on the first one that says viral, what it's going to do is it's going to show me all the videos using the viral hashtag. You can go into these videos and watch them, interact with them, anything you want to do. And you can even add them to your favorites. So if I add that hashtag to my favorites, I can quickly get access to it later. And then you can also join this hashtag, meaning you can create your own video. And then when you go to post a video, the hashtag viral is automatically going to be in the caption. So that's what you can do with the join this hashtag button. But that's essentially it. Just type it in the search bar, all the hashtags will pop up. You can tap on one of them and it will show you all the videos and you can add them to your favorites and things like that. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.